Hey guys, today I'm working with a roper, which is made by Whirlpool washer, and right now I've got it filling up, pretty heavy jeans and towel load, and we've got it on just the normal cycle, which is a pretty fast cycle. It moves through it pretty quickly. We're going to come back, show you that it agitates properly, drains out like it's supposed to, and then on the spin cycle that it's nice, smooth, sounds good, and it's nice and fast. Then we'll move over and show you the dryer we're going to pair up with this washer and show you that it heats correctly and everything works great there. The washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection, everything electrical and mechanical, it all gets checked and it all has to work perfectly before I list anything up for sale. So we'll let this go ahead and finish filling up. We'll come back and show you those features. Okay, and we filled up now. It's going strong with the agitation. You can hear it agitating. So if you didn't hear that noise, you might have an issue with the agitator and your clothes wouldn't actually be getting clean. But that's how you know your clothes are actually getting clean, and of course the soap suds up a little bit once it's got a real good agitation on it here. So alright, we'll let it finish up the wash cycle and we'll come back after the rinse cycle to hear it drain and spin. Alright guys, so now I've got those clothes moved over here to the dryer. See, both these I believe are super capacity. We're going to go time dry, which is a high heat setting. Hit go. As you can see in here, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. You can hear those clothes tumbling around, but what you want to do is make sure that there's no knocking or kicking or wobbling or off balance, or all that stuff gets checked. The dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Again, everything electrical, mechanical, all the heating element components, the roller wheels, the idler pulleys, everything gets checked. Everything has to work perfectly, and it does on this dryer. Even gonna do a little touch up on the paint to make it look brand new again. But I'm gonna show you real quick that it is heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's gonna take its measurement on the temperature. So you see a little difference there. So we'll open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. Now that tube can get pretty hot. It can get all the way up to 300 degrees at times. And of course it goes in cycles from really hot and then it kicks off and then it kicks back on. But the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from 95 to 195. And that's a range depending on what you have these settings at here. So whether you're on high heat, air dry, which is no heat, low heat, or allow it to just do everything automatically. And sometimes I like to just stick it on this auto, especially if I have some items in there that are not just straight jeans and towels. A lot of times with the heavy jeans and towels load, we just go high heat and hit go. But that's going to be it on this guy here. Of course, you have your lint trap here, and that's it. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks and have a great day.